This is 8th standard maths. Chapter name is algebraic expression and identity. In that fourth main simplify. Let's check our last week homework sum. Second, fourth and sixth is given as homework. 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Okay, 2x minus 5 whole square. Now here 2x plus 5 whole square. Here we can use a plus b whole square identity. So identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And here we can use a minus b whole square formula. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So apply the value here. A value is 2x. A value is 2x now. B value is 5 here. And a value is 2x and b value is 5 here. Now a square means we have to write 2x whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 2x into 5 plus b square means we have to write 5 square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So a square means we have to write 2x whole square minus 2ab means 2x into 2 into 2x into 5, that's over, plus b square means 5 square. Okay, now simplify. 2x whole square means 2 2s are 4 x square and 2 into 2 into 5 we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x plus 5 square means 25 minus 2x whole square means 2 2s are 4 and x square minus this we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x plus b 5 square means 25. Okay, equal 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus into 4x square is minus 4x square, minus into minus is plus 20x, minus into plus is minus 25. Like term, any like term means same variable with the numbers with the same variable, means same letters. Plus 4x square minus 4x square, same like term, same family member. So plus 4 and minus 4 we can cancel because plus 4 minus 4 means 0. Okay, then 20x plus 20x plus 20x is there. So same symbol. So 20 plus 20 is 40x and plus 25 minus 25 also we can cancel it. Now you can take the screenshot and write the answer. Now fourth one, 4m plus 5n whole square and plus 5m plus 4n whole square. So here we can use a plus b whole square formula and here also we can use a plus b whole square formula. What is the identity? A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 4m whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 4m into 5n plus b square means 5n whole square plus a plus b whole square identity we should use here. A square means we have to write 5m whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 5m into 4n plus b square means 4n whole square. Okay. Now 4m whole square means 4m into 4m. 4 4s are 16 m square. Now multiply this 2 into 4 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40 mn. 5n whole square means 5n into 5n. 5 5s are 25 n whole square. Close the bracket plus 5m whole square. 5 5s are 25 m square plus multiply this 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40. M into n is mn. Now 4n whole square means 4 4s are 16. N into n is n square. 16 n square. Now 16 m square as it is plus 40 mn as it is plus 25 n square as it is plus symbol. So removing bracket this. Okay, plus in 25 is 25 m square plus into plus is plus 40 mn plus into plus is plus 16 n square. Okay, if minus symbol means symbol will be changed in this side, plus symbol, so same symbol. Okay, we remove the bracket. If any same like term means same numbers with the same letters. So numbers with the same alphabet is letters is like term. Now 16 m square, any m square? No m square family. 40 mn, okay, take it. Any mn family? Yes, here also 40 mn. 40 plus 40 is 80 mn. And here 16 m square, 25 m square, same family members. 16 plus 25 is 41 m square plus these two are same family member, mn family. 40 plus 40 is 80 mn and 25 n family in yes, 25 n square, 16 n square. Add these two. 25 plus 16 is 41 n square. Now sixth question, AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. So here we can use A plus B whole square identity. Formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is identity? A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square, or we can say A square plus B square plus 2AB also. Both are one and the same. Now A value is AB, B value is BC. So A square means we have to write AB whole square plus 2AB means 2 into AB into BC plus B square means BC square minus, close the bracket, 2ABC as it is. Now remove the bracket. AB into AB 2 times means A square B square plus multiply till here 2 into AB into BC means 2AB square C. B into B is B square plus BC into BC 2 times multiplication means B square C square. Remove the bracket minus 2AB square C. Now any like terms, like term means same variable, okay. Number with us, any number but letters should be same. 2AB square, so AB square family, here also AB square family, same family, and plus 2 minus 2 means we can cancel, means after subtraction 0. A square B square as it is, write down, then plus B square C square here. Main homework completed. Homework also we check. Now fifth main, show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equal 3x minus 7 whole square. So equation. So here it means LHS left side and right side. We have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. To prove this, first we have to take the left hand side, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So LHS left hand side, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side, first prove the left hand side one, equation 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So here 3x plus 7 whole square, it look like A plus B whole square formula. Here we can use A plus B whole square identity. Identity is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So use that identity, okay. So now A value is 3x, B value is 7, okay. A value is 3x, B value is 7. So in the place of A we have to write 3x, in the place of B we have to write 7 equal. Now 3x means A square means 3x whole square plus 2AB means 2 into 3x into 7 plus B square means again 7 square, okay, over, close the bracket, minus 84x as it is, okay. Now 3x whole square means 3x into 3x, 3 is a 9x square. Now multiply till here, 2 into 3 into 7, 2 3 is a 6, 6 7 is a 42 plus symbol 42x plus 7 7 is a 49. You can remove it, no, 84x. Now 9x square plus 42x minus 49 minus plus 49 minus 84x, okay. Now simplify here, 9x square plus 42x minus 84x, how much? After subtraction minus only, and symbol is minus, plus 42 minus 84 means minus 42x and plus 49 as it is, write down, okay. This is first equation, this is first equation. So here we have to, LHS is over, left hand side is over, we proved. Answer is 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Again we have to solve this, and we should check whether both are same answer. After solving, both are same answer. Now RHS, what is RHS? 3x minus 7 whole square. RHS is 3x minus 7 whole square. Here we have to use A minus B whole square formula. It look like A minus B. So we are using A minus B whole square formula. Formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A value is 3x, B value is 7. So now we have to apply the value here. 3x whole square minus 2 into AB. AB means 3x into B value is 7 plus B square means 7 square. Okay, B square means 7 square equal 3x whole square means 3 into 3 is 9 square minus 2 into 3 into 7. How much? 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42x plus 7 square means 7 7s are 49. Now this is a second equation. Check the equation now. First equation and second equation. Whether both are same? Yes. So equation means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, first from equation 1 and 2. Okay, from equation first and second, this is first equation and second equation also same. From equation first and second, we can say that LHS, left side is equal to right hand side. So left side question is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equal 3x minus 7 whole square. That is the question. You can take screenshot if you need means. Now fifth main second question, 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq equal 9p plus 5q. It means equal symbol means, it means after simplification left side answer and right side answer are one and the same. That means there is a equation equal symbol, both are same answer. So that we have to prove now here. First we have to take left side one, left side means 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq. Then we have to take right side one and then we have to prove that. Now take this and prove here, children. Now here we can use 9p minus 5q whole square with the a minus b whole square identity. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply the value here. A value is 9p, b value is 5q. Okay, this is a value, this is b value. So here apply the value. A square means 9p whole square minus 2ab means 2 into 9p into 5q plus b square means 5q whole square. Okay, close the bracket because one more number is there, 180pq, 180pq equal 9p whole square means 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81 p square minus 2 into 9 into 5 we have to check, 2 9s are 18, 18 into 5 we have to check. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90 pq plus 5q whole square means 5 5s are 25q square plus as it is 180 pq. Okay, now here the bracket is removed here. Now any like terms, like term means same letters with the same letters. Numbers any changes no matter in the numbers, doesn't matter numbers, only the letters should be same. Q, any q, no, q square and q is different one. Okay, not same family. P square, any p square, no. So no like terms is here. Answer is 81 p square plus 90 pq plus 25 q square minus, check any like terms. Yes, 90 pq and 180 pq. So this is pq family members. So we can add or subtract same like terms. Means same pq same letters mean there is a like terms. Only like terms we can add or subtract. Right as it is 81 p square and 90 pq and 180 pq means answer is plus 90 pq plus 90 pq because greater number symbol is plus here. These two over now plus 25 q square. This is first equation. Okay, this is first equation. We solve this one left hand side. Now we have to check right hand side. Now here RHS 9p 5q. Okay, this one we are writing this one RHS. Now 9p plus 5q whole square, it look like a plus b whole square formula. Formula is a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to apply the value here. A square means 9p whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 9p into 5q plus 5q whole square. Apply the value here. Now 9p means 9 into 9 is 81 p square plus 2 into 9 into 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90 or 18 5s are 90 pq plus 5q square means 5 into 5 is 25, q into q is q square. This is second equation. This is second equation and this one is first equation. Check whether both the equation are same numbers, 81 p square plus 90 pq plus 25 q square same. So we can say LHS is equal to, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS. Therefore Question again, 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq equal to 9p plus 5q whole square. If you need means you can take the screenshot, children.